Guangdong GFD Commercial Technology Co. Limited is located in Foshan, south of China. We have two main brands, INEO and GFD. Up till now, INEO has exported to 148 countries and successfully completed more than 2,500 projects such as Sheraton, Hilton, Crown Plaza, Emerald Collection and other world-famous hotel chains, as well as some international organisations and well-known companies, such as the Peacekeeping Force of the United Nations, Bangladesh Air Force, Mobil Oil and Sinopec, etc. Clients from developing countries such as Southeast Asia, the Middle East and Africa also have a high level of recognition for our products. INEO could provide A to Z turnkey services. INEO has a total around 220 staffs and 12 production lines in 3 product centres. Site survey. We can provide site measurement, 2D and 3D design, concept design, production, CNC automatic accurate cutting, quality control. INEO strictly follows the ISO 9001 quality management system to control requirements and carefully supervise from raw materials process to finished products. Commissioning. INEO will test all products for the leakage of water, electricity and gas, as well as high temperature and pressure resistance. Logistics. INEO will make full use of container loading space. Packaging. INEO strictly makes the package in accordance with export packaging standard. Installation. INEO will provide drawing or video to guide the installation for our customers, as well as sending our professional team to the specific site if necessary. After-sales service. INEO Professional After-Sales Department will be online 7x24. We will help you to solve your problems very efficiently. Choose INEO, your commercial kitchen project expert.